In this video, I'm going to be going through the slope of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So first of all, parallel lines have the same slope, so very easy. So let's say the slope of line R has a slope of a half. Then we need to find the slope of T if R is parallel to T. So those two lines, what that means is parallel. Same the next question when you see B parallel to C. So those two lines going straight down, that means parallel. Okay, so in the question, we need the first one. We need to find the slope of line T if R is parallel to T. And we know the slope of R is a half, so that means the slope of T is also a half. So I'm going to write just m of T because we use m for slope. Next one then. So the slope of line B has a slope of minus 3/4. Find the slope of C if B is parallel to C. So it's going to be the exact same. So that means m of C is equal to minus 3/4. That's it. Okay, with perpendicular slopes then. So perpendicular means at right angles. And you'll often see this sign to show you that it's perpendicular. So for perpendicular slopes, all you have to do is flip the slope upside down and change the sign. And then if you want to check, so a slope multiplied by its perpendicular slope will always be minus 1. So we have a line has a slope of 3. Find the slope of any line perpendicular to this line. So all you have to do, so you have 3. I remember any whole number can be written as that number over 1. So 3 is the same as 3 over 1. So the perpendicular slope, let's turn it upside down, so it's 1 over 3. And then put a minus there. That's it. So minus 1 over 3. If we want to check then, so our first slope was 3. Our perpendicular is minus a third, so let's multiply them. And yeah, that's minus 1. So we're correct. Next one is the same. So a line has a slope of 1/4. Find the slope of any line perpendicular to this line. So again, we have our slope of 1/4. So the perpendicular then turn upside down. So we have 4 over 1 and put a minus sign there. But we wouldn't write a number as over 1. We'd just write that as minus 4. So that's our perpendicular slope. Again, let's check. So 1/4 times minus 4. Yeah, that'll be equal to minus 1. And that's it. Okay, if you want to pause the video now and try these 5 questions, and I want you to write down the 5 perpendicular slopes to these lines. Okay, so if you want to pause the video now and press play when you want the answers. Okay, let's see how you did. So for the first one, so we'll have minus a half. Next one then we'll have minus 1/4. Then we'll have a half. Next one then we have minus 2/3. And finally then we'll have 5 over 2. And that's it. So any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.